Hello everyone, I'm Joyce from Perfect Times Yoga. Welcome to today's short and easy yoga practice. This will be a simple flow with gentle movements and a relaxed pace, so it's suitable for all levels. You can use this as a quick yoga section to stretch your body during a busy day or as a warm-up before other workout. As you move through this practice, keep your breath natural and steady. There's no need to push yourself too far, just move in a way that feels right for your body. When you're ready, we will begin with a few rounds of cat-cow pose. Start by kneeling on your yoga mat with a tabletop position. Palms underneath your shoulders, knees about hip width apart, and back of your feet lying flat on the mat. Make sure your shoulders, hips, and spine are all aligned. Keep your limbs steady, shoulders and hips in place. Engage your core first. Then inhale, drop your belly, open through the chest and lift your chin. Cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin, and draw your belly in as if your navel wants to touch the spine. Cat pose. Inhale, belly drops, cow. Exhale, arch your back, cat. One more time. Inhale, cow. Exhale, round into your final cat pose. Then come back to tabletop position. Now, slowly come up to standing and walk to the front of your yoga mat. Bring your palms together in front of your chest. Stay here and take a deep breath. Then inhale, reach your arms up overhead and gently lean back into a slight back bend. Exhale, bring your hands down to the mat, folding forward into a forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway up, hands can rest on the floor or on your shins. Exhale, step both feet back into downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up, coming into three-legged dog. Exhale, step your right foot forward, bending your right knee into a low lunge. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, open your right arm up, twisting your upper body to the right, gaze toward your right fingertips. Inhale, bring your right hand back down. Exhale, step your right foot back and lift your hips into downward facing dog. Now, move on to the other side. Inhale, lift your left leg up, three-legged dog. Exhale, step your left foot forward into low lunge. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, open your left arm up and gaze toward your left fingertips. Inhale, left hand back down. Exhale, step your left foot back, returning to downward facing dog. You can repeat this flow once more or a few more times until your body feels warm and ready. Then come back to downward facing dog. From here, walk your hands back toward your feet. Inhale, lift halfway up into half forward fold. Exhale, fold forward again. Then slowly lower down into a squat. Bring your palms together in front of your chest and gently press your elbows against the knees, coming into a yogi squat. Adjust your feet if needed. You can step a little wider to help with balance. Sit up tall through your spine and soften your neck and shoulders. Stay here for a few deep breaths. 3, 2, 1. release, and slowly come down to a seated position on your mat. If you have time, you can stay in Savasana as a complete ending to your practice. Or you can use this as a warm-up and continue on with your other workout. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.